What's up, guys? We are out here at Stafford Motor Speedway. We got Cleetus cars, Burnout rivals, all kinds of great stuff going on right now. It's a little bit later in the day, kind of busy, but we had a Ultima that was right there. The trucks, all new merch booth with ladies' clothes now. All this great lady stuff. Gonna have Tori model these later. It's going great. We are about to have the driver's meeting for the Crown Vic race. I am spotting for Jeff Speedy Cop. You guys know him, so make sure you're rooting for him. We are also both in the Ultima 600 Enduro. That's like in another 45 minutes. Tickets are sold out, so actually can't be here, but watch it live. baldeagle.com, Freedom Plus. You'll make your way there. We'll see you guys. Alright guys, we are up here spotted, ready to go. Jeff is about to head out and do some qualifying laps. Put down a good time. It's really his first time doing it. Flying off the cars.
Zach Clapman from SmokyTires.com making his station racing debut. Also making a debut here tonight. We've been seeing him a lot in the main street. We've seen him all the burnout competitions making his first start. He's going to be number 32 of
Lights are out on the Stafford Motor Speedway pace car. Larry Mack, I think there's only one more thing to do to get this race off and running.
All right, let's bring them down toward the restart box. Come on, coming to it, come on to it. There they are. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing in the New England 900!
The New England 900 presented by boltsandnuts.com is green, and they head down into turns 1 and 2, 3 wide, deep in the field, but out front it's going to be the number 69 at Jack Stand Jimmy with the lead as they head to 3 side by side for the second position. Jim York looks to get ahead of the 32 of Speedy Cop, but here comes the 88 of J.H. Diesel as they come by for the first time at full speed here at Stafford.
Yeah, J.H. Diesel got a big run on the high side, turns 3 and 4. We can see exactly how much brake they're using because the brake lights work on this Crown Vic.
Jack Stand Jimmy able to maintain the race lead.
Issues or problems there. Richard right now just kind of riding towards the back of the field, kind of feeling that car out a little bit. And so far, so good. 8 laps in this 90 lap. Back there in the 18th position, but as he told you, the driver
he was on the pole, fell back, but this is his first race.
Inside of the race car, so kind of a chance to reset here.
Doing good. So yeah, he's doing good. He's getting that groove right now.
And remember, we've taken a lot of the NASCAR technique. We do have to choose. We're pretty much, you can choose inside or outside line when we get right before we go back racing on the restart.
And I definitely saw earlier that outside group was definitely working for some drivers that are going to favor that outside group.
Which was a 26:32 compared to a 26:31 or 33 rather, that Ty Dillon ran, but Dillon is all over him as he is looking to try to take the race lead down here through turns 3 and 4. Dillon had to back out of it just a little bit, but goes all the way down to the apron of the racetrack.
We'll have a special tribute coming up on lap 16
right now, but we're eating ice cream.
Opportunity here, just knowing that it's going to be a quick
I think watched too far up the racetrack in 1 and 2.
Way up the racetrack with the 10 of Ty Dillon, and it's Zach Walker taking over the race lead. He's gone from worst to first here at Stafford. Contact between Priest and Dillon coming to the line. 4 to go. Zach Walker leads.
That contact, though, between Dillon and Priest is exactly what Zach Walker needed.
Zach Walker looking to try to pull away as once again Dillon slips up just a little bit in the middle of the corner. Here comes Ty Braun on the move, looking to try to get to the inside of J.H. Diesel. They're 3 wide down the back straightaway. Kevin Smith to the inside looking for 4th.
Ty Brun kind of backed out of it right there as they're coming to the line. This will be 3 to go, Jake.
3 to go. Zach Walker's lead starting to shrink. Ty Dillon closing back in. Will Dillon get an opportunity to try to get to the back bumper of Walker in these final 2.5 laps? And is Ryan Preece in the catbird seat back there in third as he loses sight, loses ground to the top 2 competitors? It'll be 2 laps remaining as Zach Walker looks to try to hold off Ty Dillon.
Ty Dillon gets a good run off turn 4 to the outside, side by side, down in 1 and 2. Zach Walker's going to take him up the racetrack a little bit. They're going to do a drag race down the back straightaway. Coming back to the line, 1 to go.
It's just like we saw 2 years ago, or 3 years ago, rather, at IRP. The fans here at Stafford Motor Speedway, they are on their feet, coming to the line. White flag is out. It's Ty Dillon at the line, out in front by a nose. He and Walker, down they go into turns 1 and 2. Dillon goes up the racetrack. Contact. Walker to the inside. He's going to take over the race lead. Here comes Ryan Preece. One last charge as Dillon tries to hang on to it.
I think Dillon may have a flat tire as Ty Walker comes through 3 and 4 from last to first, Jake.
Out of turn number 4, Zach Walker is going to win the New England 900 presented by boltsandnuts.com. His second career individual Crown Vic Series win, and he gets it done in dramatic fashion, holding off Ty Dillon and the 60 of Ryan Preece. What a race, what a show once again here at Stafford as we get ready to light up the sky of Stafford Springs, Connecticut. Let him hear you, Stafford Motor Speedway. Give it up for Zach Walker. In the back of the pack, Zach Walker, everyone!
You know how the guys all take my tools in the shop? Yeah. All my boys in the shop are getting new boxos! Hey!
Yeah, look at my dude. Look at my dude doing burnout. Yeah, boy. Oh, that's my dude. Look at this. If you even race this car, it looks perfect. Look at that. You got some gap here. A little bit. Little front right there. You did have right front.
That's quite a bit of right front.
The inside starts to go a little bit.
She's not a pretty right front, but there's some trick.
You still got some right front, so you can start diving in harder, start pushing harder. Try to scrub them, not. I mean, it's going over.
It's going straight. That's 90 laps. I shouldn't have saved it as long as I did. That's all I'm saying.
Just first
I was
race.
saving it for the end, and I was like, if it starts really pushing up the track, I'll know.
Exactly.
It never did.
Zach and Ty and them have done this 30-some times. Yeah, that little bit right there.
Yeah.
Like tires.
I don't know if you can tell. When I hit the wall, and I pushed into the wall and turned around. I put it in reverse, floored it, and tried to J-turn it. And I was up against the wall and it wasn't enough.
Yeah, it's just spun around.
So I had to just drive away. Oh,
I'd say, dude.
was it a good spectacle?
Oh, yeah.
Great spectacle.
That was great. Yeah, that's where they hit you in that one right there. That's some good. Alrighty, well, that is the end of Crown Vic Racing. We have burnouts in exactly 12 hours from now. Burnouts are starting.
We're not going to talk about that.
We're gonna be real tired tomorrow. We have to be here in 7 hours from now.
Yeah. Pit gate opens at what? 6:30? 7:30?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Yeah, we gonna be
Whoa.
tired. We moved it up. There's some rain coming. We need to get it done. But hey, my Fitbit says intense activity.
You should stop doing intense activity.
That's what I do. I just work out all day. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's get to some burnouts.
Pre-warned is double.
It is Saturday morning. We are ready for burnouts. The girls are getting the merch booth set up right now. Please check out our new ladies line. We got V-neck t-shirts, tank tops. They're in black and pink.
And
His
extra
dream,
small.
our grind. He's got that race wife energy going on right now. Big race wife energy. It is 7:30 in the morning. Burnouts are at 11 today instead of 4 because we're trying to miss the rain. We got about 3.5 hours of sleep. Very tired, but it's gonna be a great day. Uh-oh. Not safe for work. Not safe. They got a line. These people have been out here like since 6:30 already. Oh, it'll be fun. Let's get some burnouts going. Let's get set up. Let's do things.
After we wake up.
Yeah, that's it. Let's go. All right, guys. It is time for some burnouts. We got Chris riding along. He's ready. We're set up. We're third in line. We got Garrett, Speedy, then us. It's going to be a great time. Let's go, boys and girls.
That's why we let Speedy Cop start off the show. He'll make sure to get it done for us. All right, that's what I like to see.
That is absolutely right. And we got another hitter coming up next. What do we got, Jake?
Getting ready to hit the pad next. Coming out, it is 1995 BMW 325 driving Klaus. This is Carl Balzer. Carl Balzer with an absolutely ripping entry to the pit. I'm liking what I'm seeing here out of Klaus and Carl. Oh, having an issue here. Dang it. Carl always has the strongest starts. A little hiccup here in the middle, but he's back.
Tires. We have 4 of 4 tires have been popped so far today. It's looking like it's going to be a very good show.
that's another run in the books. We got both tires are popped. Klaus on fire as normal. And that entire run was 0 brakes. As I was getting on the brakes to build boost, I felt the pedal go completely flat and the brake master cylinder blew up. So that entire run was absolutely 0 brakes, nothing at all. Very sketchy.
We hit all the hidden motorsports checklists. Tires, fire. Oh, we're still running.
We are still running. Dude, every event on fire. Every single event's on fire. It's just normal now. If we don't catch on fire, there might be a problem.
I know.
But tires changed, start them back up, head towards the trailer, probably load them because it's about to rain. Another successful burnout comp in the books. That was real good. I mean, Klaus popped tires, caught on fire, weird stuff going on, just like every other time, but still runs to go another day, and that's the main thing that we go for. Need to put a new brake master cylinder in it though. Yep, no brakes was really, really sketchy. Overall, great weekend. Can't complain about anything. We'll see you guys on the next one. Balls are out.